Hey, Bradley Orchestra, it's
Hey guys.
your Friday message from Mrs. Post.
And Mr. Newman.
We, again, we've certainly missed being in the classroom with you this week, and we hope that you've survived your first week of distance learning. I know it's a learning curve for all of us, teachers included.
That's right. It's been kind of weird. I don't know if you guys have had the problems I have. It's been quite an adventure to try to do anything. I thought I knew computers until this week happened, but everything's going good. I have discovered a few things about myself. I have figured out that I can wear the same clothes about 3 days before my dog looks at me funny. I've also discovered that just because I have time on my hands doesn't mean I'm motivated to do anything. And I've also I've learned how hard I can push my son on the swing before he hits the tree. So just little nuggets of wisdom.
That's great, Mr. Newman. Always a great story from Mr. Newman. Our family is we try to do game night every night together. My son is home from college now. His baseball season was canceled, and he's moved out of his dorm, and so we're all home now. My two boys are doing online classes. So, you know, Mr. Newman and I, we understand the balance of the online school, the technology time, the family time. So we certainly understand that as your teachers, and that we are parents ourselves.
That's right. I think last week when we talked to you, we kind of told you to just not worry about like your grades and things like that, and because a lot of things are changing, and so we're still your teachers. That's not going to change. You know, always be your teachers. So we just look very flat and two-dimensional right now. This week has been good in the fact that I feel like we're starting to get a rhythm. But we have had a couple disappointments this week as well, as far as like Houston and UIL. You should have gotten messages about those. Obviously aren't going to happen, as a lot of things aren't happening. But we want you to know, especially for those of you that were working on UIL music, how very proud we are of the work you're doing, and probably still continue to do, and all the hard work you're doing for those events.
Just to let you know, everything that we are assigning is going to be in our Weebly website. We do not have a Google Classroom set up, since that was something that we didn't originally have. We just figured we would do everything through our Weebly. If you are able to submit the practice tracker that's located on your class tab on our Weebly, that's great. Those would be submitted on Fridays. And if you're not able to submit it, just send us an email. You can always just email it to us. Also, if you don't have your instrument at home, just let us know that as well, and we can certainly work around that.
You also may need to let us know if there's some sort of repair issue with your instrument, or like maybe your instrument's just way jacked up out of tune and everything just sounds horrible every time you play it. Let us know that. You know, I mean, I can't help you right now. I can't tune your instrument from here, obviously, but at least we know what your situation is.
And we have two exciting things that are going to be coming soon with your distance learning. The first thing, we are going to put some new music on the Weebly. There's going to be a new music tab with several different songs, all different levels, and then we'll have recordings on there of some new music. Give us a few days to get that on air. Hopefully.
Danger, danger, force level building to fatal intensity.
Look, I don't know what's happening around here, but every piece of equipment and machinery we have seems to be going crazy.
By the beginning of next week, should see some new music on it. And we are going to attempt, starting next Wednesday, right, Mr. Newman?
Yes, Wednesday.
Yes. We
I
are
don't know what we're
going,
talking about, but yes.
we are going to attempt to do a 30-minute check-in on Zoom. Basically have office hours. 6th graders can check in with us at 1 o'clock on Wednesdays. 7th and 8th graders can check in with us at 2 o'clock in a 30-minute window. So if you just want to, we'll share the link with you. And then if you just want to check in and say hello, or if you have a specific instrument question, you need to
Right.
show us something, we're going to set up those office hours, and we'll be sending that out soon.
We understand you have other responsibilities for classes, so we want to make sure you understand this is not like a required Zoom meeting for you. It's just we want to let you know we'll have this half hour open if you want to join us so that we can all see each other's faces and talk through anything we need to talk
Great.
through. Great.
Anything else, Mr. Newman?
No, like she said, that new music will be on the new tab will be coming up. Give us some time, and then you'll have your first chair test for that 2 weeks after. Just kidding. Everybody's first. Yay! But other than that, I want you guys to wash each other's hands. Don't pick your neighbor's nose. And I forgot what today is. Oh wait, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
Yay! Bye, guys.
Yay.
Hopefully we'll see you on Wednesday or here again. Bye.
Bye.